trial on Robert Noland's contested will came to an abrupt halt this afternoon when the judge decided the parties need to try to resolve the dispute in a way other than open court. The McNeese Foundation is suing because they believe they were unfairly eliminated from Noland's will. KPLC's Teresa Schmidt was there when the court recessed until June 16th.
Toward the end of a long and difficult day, Judge Robert Wyatt took a recess until 4 o'clock and then announced to the parties there are good people on each side and that their differences need to be resolved in a way other than open court. He ended court and instructed the parties to return to mediation and try to resolve the dispute over Robert Noland's estate of more than $15 million. Neither side would do interviews, perhaps in order to promote cooperation as they try to work it out. Earlier, Noland's daughter Amanda was on the stand as the trial progressed to determine if there was a conspiracy to get Noland to sign a new will, when by a number of accounts he was suffering from dementia. Sometime after a new will was signed, Robert Noland was diagnosed with Alzheimer's dementia. Amanda Noland admitted she and her father sometimes didn't talk for years, but she denies they were estranged. Amanda says she became involved in his last months alive, saying she was there to take care of him. She asked her father's wife in a text, "Where do we stand with Daddy being okay with Jack Gray, and is he agreeable to power of attorney and a new will?" Robert's wife Belinda responded in a text, "I have spoke with him a couple of times and he really doesn't say anything." Robert signed a new will December 29, 2020 and died in November 2021. The will, now being contested, left Noland's wealth to Amanda and removed the McNeese Foundation as the main beneficiary in Noland's will. Teresa Schmidt, 7 News.
At last word, the two sides had tentatively set June 12th as the day to engage in mediation. New developments today in the search for the last two escaped New Orleans inmates. Authorities are now offering $50,000 each for information that leads to their arrests. Derek Groves and Antoine Massey remain on the run. Both are considered armed and dangerous. State police say public tips have helped the search so far, and they're counting on more to catch Massey and Groves. Meteorologist Max Lagano joins us